With the prompt generator, you can easily create new prompts or adjust the ones that are already there. You'll find 2 example prompts included. One of them adds special markers. These markers are important if you plan to use the PowerPoint import wizard. The markers help the wizard build a specific layout automatically. If you're not using PowerPoint for editing, you can simply ignore those markers. In the prompt options section, you can choose from different styles for your prompt. These styles act as placeholders, and they need to be placed between curly brackets. Of course, you can also type the text manually if you prefer. In the box where you enter the theme of your puzzle, you can add more than one value. Just separate each value with a pipe symbol, and the app will randomly select one of them as the theme. It depends on which language model you use, together with how your prompt is composed, how the new clues will look like. Most of the time, your prompt will keep the logic of the original clue, but it's a good idea to double-check the results, just to be sure everything makes sense.